Week, day 3. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and watching this video. Welcome to Color Week, day 3. Thank you so much to all my subscribers, to anybody that just clicked on this video because they're curious of what a Color Week is, what I'm doing. I am showcasing different color wigs every day of the week for 1 week because, as you know, or if you don't know, I am a fan of colorful wigs, colorful hair. I love it. It's what makes me happy. It's what makes me enjoy life more, because life can be overwhelming, but I think it's the little things that you love that makes life a little bit more tolerable. And wearing colorful wigs is one of those things for me. So yeah, I'm doing another Outre wig. This is the box that it comes in. Okay, and this wig that I am going to be trying today is, it's from their Swoop series. I did the first Color Week day 1, I did a Swoop series. If you didn't see that video, please go check it out. It's in my description box. So this is along with the Swoop series. So this is SWOOP3. The one I did on Color Week 1 was Swoop 1, I believe. This is SWOOP3. This is a 26-inch wig. The color is butterscotch blonde. And they have a lot of different colors, lots of different colors, like 1B, burgundy. Go on the site, click the link, you will see all the colors. You can pick the color that you like best. So this wig is fully hand tied, 13x4 frontal, ear to ear, soft HD transparent lace. Natural contour to realistic hairline, no customization required. See, that's amazing because I used to customize the hell out of these wigs. Combs for security. The back, wide adjustable elastic bands for glueless installs, back comb for secure fit. Hairline, pre-plucked, gradual hairline, baby hairs included. So this is the card. Let's see. And this is the wig. Oh. The wig comes so packaged so nicely. This wig has 2 clips in the front, 2 small clips in the front. But luckily they're like right here, so you can wear it glueless, because I feel like the further the clips are, the more glueless it is, because it's like really close to the hairline. So you don't have to do a lot of glue or anything like that. It has a large strap in the back. It has a large clips in the back, and it comes with the average wig strap clips that all the synthetic wigs and every wig comes with. Okay. Wow, this is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. Like, oh my goodness, look at this, y'all. Like, it's so pretty, right? I think it's so pretty. The curls feel so soft, like they feel like human hair. Like there's no tangling or anything. Like the curls it doesn't have that hard synthetic feel. It feels really soft and bouncy. See, if I have to tint the lace, let me just do some assessment. I might not have to. I might do what I did before, which is like cut the lace and then add a little bit of some of my contour powder onto the front, just because I don't want to tint the whole lace, because it gets messy and it's just a lot of work, and we are trying to avoid all this work when it comes to wigs. We just want to throw it on and go, ciao. So, but it looks really good and it's blending in with my skin really well. So I might not even need to tint the lace. I think I'm just going to cut the lace as I usually do, and I am just going to use some of my bronzing powder to touch up the you know, the fronts that are a little bit like white, because you can see a little bit of white. This hair looks like it's so easy to install. It's so pretty, it's so perfect. So I'm gonna go right ahead and install this wig, and yeah, I'll be right back. that is all for this video, you guys, for our third day of Color Week. The hair is absolutely perfect. This video is super short because the hair is perfect. Grab this wig. I feel like every girl, guy, whoever likes wearing wigs need to have this wig because the curls are beautiful. They're soft. They feel like human hair. They bounce. They don't tangle. Look at the hairline. The hairline plucked. Perfection. Like, it's soft. It's easy. No issues with this hair. That's why this video is so short. The shorter the video, the better the wig. Remember that. Remember I said that. Shorter the video, the better the wig. The hairline, the frontal piece is just amazing. Like, I have nothing bad to say about this hair. I like it in this style. I love a middle part. I'm not really into on the model, she has on the side, but I don't really like how it looks. I like how it looks in the middle, personally. You can wear it to the side too. That's why it's called a swoop, because you can swoop it to the side. But me personally, I don't like it swoop to the side. I love it in the middle, and that's how I'm going to keep it. But you can put it on the side if you want, and you'll see it how it looks on the model, that it's on the side. I like it in the middle. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy with this wig. This is going to be my summer wig also. I'm definitely going to wear her in the summer. I like that she's not too blonde, but I love you at 613. Don't get me wrong. But I like this color too because it really blends nicely with my skin tone. So that is all for this video. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think below. Grab this wig before it sells out. Ciao. Grab it, grab it, grab it. They have a whole bunch of different colors. So if you don't like this color, at least just get one of the colors. I want to actually get this in a 1B because I know the 1B is probably really pretty. Because imagine this in a 1B, like, it'll look like a curly human wig. I think I'm going to low-key get it in a 1 or 1B. Okay. Anyway, I love you guys for watching. I will see you guys tomorrow for Color Week Day 4. Love ya. Keep slaying.